In this video, I'm going to show you how to download some free add-ons for MATLAB. Now you might be surprised, there's an abundance of free toolboxes and hardware support packages that you can download right into MATLAB. Let's go ahead and explore some of them. If you go to your MATLAB desktop interface, you go over to the menu here for add-ons and click that. Okay. Then you will see things like Get Add-ons, Manage Add-ons, Package Toolbox, Package App, and Get Hardware Support Packages. We're going to talk about the first one and the last one, and I'm going to show you how to get a bunch of cool stuff for free. Let's go to Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and click on that. That's going to bring up this add-on explorer, and what this will do is it will show you different options that you have to add toolboxes and products to MATLAB. Now what comes up first is the MathWorks toolbox and products. Now most, if not all of these, are going to be paid toolboxes. In other words, they're not free. You'll have to pay for them. However, there is a huge set of community toolboxes that people create that you can download for free. So if you go over here to the left-hand side and click on community, you're going to see 21,464 plus products here that you can download for free. Now you could refine your type to go to look at toolboxes and products and different models and hardware support packages and apps. There are tons of free things that you can get from this tool. If we just focus on toolboxes for this example, we can see that there are 597 at the time of shooting this video. There's a GUI layout. You can go ahead and explore these and see if something is interesting for you. So let's show all 597 of them and just browse a little. We have some customizable heat maps. So this is interesting because if you have an application that can display heat maps, or that might be useful, you can go ahead and download that toolbox. If you're in the medical imaging field, there's a medical imaging processing toolbox here. So let's go ahead and click on that. And we can see that in the beginning it will show you what toolboxes are required to execute this toolbox. And it actually shows me I don't have some of the ones installed. But all you need to do is click on this add button, and then it will walk you through the installation process. Again, most of these are free. You don't even have to pay for them. So I'm not going to install this one, but I want to show you as an example. Then we can go back here and explore some of the other ones. So just go through this and see there's an adaptive filtering toolbox here. There's an AR drone Simulink development kit. There are so many useful toolboxes here, and most of them you can download for free. The other thing I want to show you is the hardware support packages. So I'm going to close out of this. If we go back to MATLAB and go to the add-ons menus button here, we can click on that and get hardware support packages. This will start the installer, and you can see it install from internet. Just click next. And here we can see that there are 72 hardware support packages provided by MathWorks. Now what this is this allows you to interface with different types of hardware so that you can write MATLAB code very, very quickly and very, very easily. Now, if you've worked with hardware in the past, you'll know that building an interface between software and hardware is not a trivial task. And what MATLAB does by providing this hardware support package is they eliminate the need for you to go ahead and develop this interface. They've already developed the interface. It's included as part of MATLAB, so you just go and you download this, and these are all free. So you can browse. There's 72 listed here. You can go and browse through this. We have ARM, stuff for ARM processing, Altera FPGAs, Apple OS sensors, Android sensors are something that I've used before. I've had a couple of Udemy courses on that. If you're interested in doing Android sensors or Apple OS sensors, check me out on Udemy. We have Beagle boards, You have an interface for the Kinect sensor if you're using an Xbox. We got Lego Mindstorms. Let's see what else we got here. There's so many things. We have an SDR radio, RTL SDR radio, which is interesting. You got Raspberry Pi, some Texas Instruments DSPs, Usurp radios, and Xilinx FPGAs. So this is really, really useful if you're going to use any of these hardware products. So that's the summary of this video. There's a ton of MATLAB community toolboxes that you can access, and you can also access a number of hardware support packages for interfacing to hardware. All of these are completely free, and there's an abundance of them out there. So go and check this out and see what's interesting to you, and go download and start using it. Let me know in the comment section what you find and what's cool. It's always nice to share that between people, because I don't always have the time to browse through 600 thousands of different toolboxes and stuff. So if you find something interesting, let us know. Go ahead, post a comment down there, and help out the group.